Okay. Okay, review. You got 4. Okay. Do we have to turn that in a little bit? Because I think I had it a bit more out last time. Okay, let me check. We're trying to get better with this. Oh, you're trembling with anticipation. Okay, so 4. You have to go over here, though. Maestro, come. Maestro, come. I know! Come here first. Come on. And then I'll hide everything. So you have to sit here. Okay. No. Sit. Okay, wait. You have to wait. Are you ready? Sit. Okay, go ahead. One. Oh, I was going to make roast run on my tongue. Wait, off balance. There. Okay, go. Oh, careful. You've got a camera on the side of your head. Get everything? You got it. Okay, let me just check. So you got 1. You have